Hi, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz. What does a cupcake have to do with fashion? Today, I'm going to share my little trick that I used in the retail business to help my clients be able to style their outfits after they've left the store. And I call it cupcake outfit coordination. And why do I do that? There's 3 layers of a cupcake and 3 layers of an outfit. And just like a cupcake, when you start with the base layer, which is our cake, I put that together with what I call the basic black. And it can be anything from a jacket, a dress, a sweater, little accessories. We've got a blouse, leggings, trousers, and in some case you can tweak it with even blue jeans, and in summer we would go with our white. But that is our base layer. You always start with that and work your outfit around that layer, which is the cake layer of our cupcake. Now the second layer, which is our frosting, I call that the pop color. After we start with the basic, we add pop color. And just like it can be something like, I've used the boho wrap here. Ladies, never underestimate the power of an elegant black turtleneck with your winter fashion. It is a must-have for sure. But going back to the pop color, I am a cool undertones, so I wear the darker jewel tones of every color. For pink, that would be dark fuchsia. I really don't do a lot of soft pink. Reds, burgundies, jewel toned purple, that is my signature color. And of course, red. So once we add the pop colors, which is our second layer, our frosting, of course, the third layer is our sprinkles, which is the bling. And I'm talking about jewelry. So you see here, I style my jewelry. I've got this little tie rack from Walmart.com, and I hang all my necklaces so I can see them all at once. They don't tangle. It's such a cool little trick as well. And that bling layer, the sprinkles could be bracelets, necklaces, hats, or handbags, scarves, anything that you use to enhance your outfit. This is a cute little boho cowboy hat that was left from our boho beach collection a few years ago. I do have that on sale at Poshmark, ladies. And also for sale is the Betsy Johnson handbag. This is a phone, and you can actually talk on your handbag. It Bluetooths, and it is so cute. It looks just like a phone. And it is so cute. Totally worth it. So today we have learned about how you can easily style your outfits using the 3 layers of the cupcake. So remember, whether you're shopping in the store or styling your outfits at home, if you think about the cupcake, you've got easy outfit coordination. And if you like other fashion videos, you can go to my YouTube channel or kimsbeautybiz.com and hit the blog and go through. I have years worth of valuable content on beauty, fashion, and skincare. Thank you all, and if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe and help support me. I appreciate you. Much love.